How to cut by fill color in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First, load a design into the media. Step 2. Go to the Send panel and select the Fill tab. Step 3. You'll see that the design is broken down into colors. Step 4. If you uncheck all the boxes and select just one color, it'll cut only that color. Step 5. The machine will cut from the top down, so you can drag a box color up or down to move its position in the queue. Step 6. You can select the material type for each fill color from the drop-down. Step 7. For each fill color, you can select different material types depending on your preference. Step 8. You can also verify the selected color and adjust it towards the bottom right side of the screen. Step 9. Select whether you want to cut or draw for each color from the action drop-down. Step 10. Once you select the action, tool will be assigned automatically. Step 11. If you've selected different materials or tools for different fill color, you can add a pause to change the material or tool. Step 12. To add a pause, you can simply click Add Pause. Step 13. You can also select multiple fill color layers, right-click and select Add Pause. Step 14. If you want to remove a pause, simply right-click that layer and click Remove Pause. Step 15. Once done, click Send. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.